way toward a number of markets in Ruang State, including Jamjang, Ida, and many others, to assess the prices of food commodities. The governor said his government will work out mechanisms to address the high prices. Speaking during the visit, Jamjang Commissioner Mayom Manyel appealed to traders not to sell goods to consumers at high price.
Prices are really soaring high, and to get items from these foreign traders, they have to get the items, the goods, by air. And get them through by air, they have to travel from Ida, from Maitongo, and from Barian itself to Juba. When there was crisis, they just go as far as they go to Kampala to get goods from that area.
لو هو غلب كاسوق سوق لحد يكون غالي أنا بضاعة بيجي من يجيبه زاز ما هو شهر من الشارع ولا من الشارع عنهم مطار شهر قافل من شهر 5 في يوم هذا